After like researching and doing things on YouTube versus the class, totally different. The techniques, just like the material and how it works and how it moves when you're doing like the cutting. I find it that the class was completely worth it. So my name's Josh Garrison, and I'm here taking the tint class and stuff. I previously took the wrap class, which was super fun. Really enjoyed that and stuff too. And I'm here from Cali, born and raised here. And my plan is to open up my shop one day, being able to do wrap, tint, and hopefully auto detailing here in the near future. So my dad was a window tinter for about 10 years, and I kind of learned a little bit from him, but I kind of just always had a knack for like, automotives, and I love working on them. So I always wanted to get into like, more of that industry, like, wraps, tint, auto detailing. It's just always kind of been something I liked and enjoyed. I was planning on taking a window tinting class, and just kind of like researching and looking online, and then I stumbled upon Right Look and stuff, and just like reading the reviews, and just like everything was like 5 stars, and I'm like, okay, let me check it out a little bit more. Just gave a call to David, my rep, and so I've just found out a little more information about it and stuff. Everything was just super professional and just very courteous and just stood out like from the rest. And that's really what brought me to you guys, and decided to sign up for the class. I was a little nervous and too, coming because I had no knowledge completely of what I was really doing. A lot of the information on the first day was a little overwhelming, but then just after repetition, after doing it, after day 1, I'm like, okay, I made a couple mistakes here and there, but then day 2 and stuff too, corrected that mistake, and Ruben was amazing and stuff at just going over everything and really like, one-on-one connecting with that, like, hey, maybe try doing it a little bit like this, a little different and stuff. And sure enough, I learned so much. It's like night and day now. I would say like, a lot of people learn from YouTube. They graduate from YouTube University, and then they kind of think they know what they're doing, but like after like researching and doing things on YouTube versus the class, totally different. The techniques, just like the material and how it works and how it moves when you're doing like the cutting. I find it that the class was completely worth it for that aspect. Just a lot of just small details that you don't learn elsewhere. And I feel like that's really what sets you guys apart. Whenever I needed assistance stuff, Ruben was always there, and it felt like it was never really rushed. I was like doing my thing, and then once I needed help, he would come over and help me and kind of like go back and forth between us. It made it feel very personable. It made it feel very comfortable and stuff too, with him like, telling us about his background. He was once in our place as well, and now he's an instructor. I feel like that really helped, make things more comfortable, make me at least feel less nervous and stuff of what I was doing. And I could like approach him better in that aspect. From day 1 to day 3, I feel like I've learned and took in a lot of great information, especially with the hands-on learning. Because for me, I'm a very hands-on kind of learner, and the repetition really helped. Because like the more I did it, the more I understood it, and the better I got at it. I feel more confident in being able to start my own business now with more knowledge on how to have pricing, how to have that customer insight more, than just being comfortable with myself, of my skills of now I know what I'm doing. And I feel like that really helped benefit me to be able to start my own business. My plan is to start going out there and doing it. Just start building clients, starting my own name, my own brand out there, and eventually grow into being able to have like multiple employees with a business. Again, my name is Josh. I highly, highly recommend Right Look and stuff. Believe me, you will not go wrong with them. You have great training, just great people to work with and stuff too, and it's a very comfortable environment. So I definitely recommend it.